Hi guys, it's a bit early comes. It's been a while, so I want to show you guys this power bank, this Oriamo power bank. You can see from the design, you know it is fake. Oriamo, Oriamo, or I don't know, which is supposed to be Oriamo, but this one is the copy. This is the clone one. It's not the original. Now I'm making this video specifically for some persons that they love cheap, they like to buy cheap gadgets, and in exchange they'll be looking for good quality or durability. You get? Now I know the least amount you can get this power bank now, this copied one, this fake one, it should be minimum of 10,000 naira, if not more than. You get? And meanwhile, looking at this power bank, you know that it's the clone one. You get? But some customers or some clients, they won't know. They just want to, okay, just give me a power bank, something that is cheap, that will be durable. You get? Now this power bank was sent to me by one of my customers. So it's a lady anyway. She said she just bought it and she just used it for like a week or two, and it stopped working. So after opening it, I discovered that, because initially when they brought the power bank, I looked at it and said, this power bank, I've not seen a Oriamo that is like this before. You get? Because I myself, I do sell gadgets. I sell Oriamo, itel, and also what is it called now? I sell Oriamo, itel, and New Age as well. You get? So for more than 2 years now, I've not seen an Oriamo look like this. So immediately she brought it, I already knew that this is the copy version, because she called me and said the power bank is Oriamo. I said okay. Did it fall? He said the power bank did not fall. I said okay, let's just send it over. Let me take a look and let me see if we can fix it. So although I fixed it yesterday, so you can see it's working fine now. Look at the display, the percentage notification light. So now I just want to educate you guys on some of all these gadgets, some of we technicians, what we are seeing every day. You get? Now looking at this power bank now, after opening it, you can see that you have 4 cells inside. You have 4 cells. Let me shock you now. Okay, originally you have 4 cells inside, right? Now we have 4 cells inside. Now looking at it, you see that it is 4, but it is 2 cells that is working, which is 2 batteries that is working. Look at it now. Let me open it and see. Let me disassemble it. Now this is the board, this is the charging board. I hope you can see. Look at it. It's only 2 cells that is active inside. Look at it. Only 2 cells. This is after I did my connection yesterday, because the line connecting these 2 cells got rusted. I don't know, maybe due to moisture, or it's been long inside. It's been long. The power bank has been inside the store before my customer went to buy it. So now, okay, fine, it's working fine now. You get? It's just only 2 cells that is active inside this power bank. Now look at the remaining cells. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 cells, which are dummy cells. These cells are just dummy cells. They have no voltages. They are dummy cells. They are bad. They are just the advantage of, they just put these batteries inside this power bank to make it heavy, to feel like it is original. These batteries now, if you should test with multimeter, you see that they have no voltages at all. They are just dummy cells. They just installed it in order for the power bank to have weight. You get? So now what I'm trying to say in essence is that I'm not using this video to discredit any company or the company that produces power bank. I'm just trying to educate you guys on this kind of issues. Go for good power banks or good gadgets. Do not look for cheaper items. You get? Now the amount used to purchase this gadget now, don't be surprised that an additional 2,000 to 5,000 naira will make her with that amount that she used to buy this one. An additional 2,000 to 5,000 naira, definitely adding it to this amount she used to buy this one, she will get a good power bank. You get? Look at it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're just dummy cells. They are just dummy cells. They are just using it to make it to add weight to these cells, to make it to make the power bank to look bigger. So guys, be careful out there. Be careful. Do not buy cheap gadgets. And truly, of a truth, it is cheap, but it's not cheap. When you start fixing it, it will not be cheap. Now, even these two cells that you are seeing, they are not original cells. They are just normal, ordinary cells that are in the market. You get? All these two cells are not even original cells. There's no way. Normally, say, even if you charge this phone, these cells, even if they charge full, I'm not sure this phone. Now, looking at this phone, I'm not sure it can even charge it to 100% to charge it full. So, guys, please be warned. Be careful what you buy outside. And again, always look at the name of the product before buying. Now, if you look at this, if you just look at it, you just say it's Oriamo. But if you look at it closely, look at it vividly, you see that the spelling has been spelled wrongly. I mean, the A's are supposed to be, R is supposed to be before the A, but it was interchanged. You get? Meaning you already know that it's a fake power bank. So guys, you guys should be careful what you guys buy. Okay, go for original. Do not buy cheap items, because when you buy cheap items, you always come to the engineer to help you fix it. Now, okay, the amount I used to fix it, now the minimum I can get for this job now is 3 to 4K. Is that not money? So no problem. So I'll keep you guys posted on more gadget update. And also, please guys, follow my YouTube page, YouTube channel, which is AB Telecoms. Okay, thanks and God bless you.